Today, we are making one of my favorite dishes for parties and special occasions. Delicious, colorful, and flavorful party fried rice. If you love fried rice with beautiful separated grains, colorful vegetables, scrambled eggs, and golden fried sausages, then you definitely want to try this recipe. This recipe is quite simple, but the secret is in how we cook and combine each ingredient to build the flavor. So let's get started because we have some delicious fried rice to make. I'm starting with the rice, and for my method today, I'm adding some water into my cooking pot. I also add some little oil and then cover the pot and allow it to heat up properly. Now the water is boiling nicely, and this is exactly what we are looking for. So let's add our washed rice. I've already washed my rice thoroughly, and now I'm adding it straight into the boiling water. I also go in with a little bit of salt for that lovely flavor. Now I'm going to stir everything together gently. I want to make sure the rice is properly distributed in the pot and the salt is evenly mixed throughout. Now cover the pot and allow the rice to cook very nicely. Now our rice is ready, so let's check it. Just look at how beautiful the rice is looking. Before we do anything else, I'm going to fluff it a little bit. So I'm going to gently run my spoon through the rice to separate the grains very well, and as you can see, the grains are looking really good. They are fluffy, they are not clumped together, and most importantly, we have those beautiful single grains that we want for our fried rice. This is very important, and this is exactly what we are looking for. I don't want to mash or press the rice together, so I'll just fluff it very gently, okay? Next, I'm heating up a different pan. Once the pan is hot, I'm adding some oil. Allow the oil to heat up nicely, and then we can start frying our sausages. So let's fry the sausages until everything is nicely golden, just the way you are seeing on your screens right now. And after that, we're going to go in with some eggs as well. You can as well feel free to use any protein of your choice for this fried rice recipe, and you are good to go. Now let's allow the eggs to settle down a little bit, and then we will go in with our spoon to scramble this very nicely. So let's stir everything together until the eggs are properly cooked. And look at that, the eggs are nicely scrambled and cooked through. Now I remove them from the pan and set them aside with the sausages, and just like that, our sausage and eggs are ready. Now we are coming to one of my favorite parts, because this is where we start building the flavor of the fried rice. We are using the same pan, so there's no need to wash it. All those delicious flavors from the sausages and eggs are still in there. So in the pot, I already have some chopped onions and also some blended garlic and ginger to give the fried rice that lovely flavor and aroma. I'm going to fry them very nicely, and then I'll go in with some vegetables as well. For vegetables, you can feel free to go in with any vegetable of your choice. I'll season it properly with some Aromate seasoning as well, which is the chicken seasoning. You can also use the shrimp seasoning, and trust me, it tastes really good. I also go in with some oyster sauce as well, and also some dark soy sauce. You can as well omit this too if you don't want it, but trust me, it gives the fried rice that lovely signature taste we all love. Now it looks very colorful. Now I'm going to give everything a very good stir. I want the seasoning, the oyster sauce, the dark soy sauce to coat all the vegetables evenly, and look at that, everything is coming together beautifully. At this point, the aroma in the kitchen is absolutely amazing. Now comes the exciting part. It's time to add a rice. I'm adding the cooked rice into the pan with our beautifully seasoned vegetables, and immediately I'm going to start stirring everything together. And look at that transformation. The plain white rice has now picked up all those beautiful flavors and colors. And just look at those grains. They're so beautifully separated. I'm going to continue stirring until the vegetables are evenly distributed throughout the rice. I also want to make sure there are no plain portions of rice left. Okay, now that our fried rice and vegetables are beautifully combined, it's time to bring back our sausages and eggs. So I'm adding the sausages and the scrambled eggs all together. Now we're going to gently stir everything together as well. I want the sausage and eggs to spread evenly throughout the rice. And honestly, just look at this. This is honestly what we call proper party fried rice. We have our fluffy single grains of rice, colorful vegetables, beautifully scrambled eggs, and those golden pieces of sausages. Trust me, everything is looking absolutely delicious. Alright, so at this point, I know you are enjoying the video. So if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to the channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Subscribing is free, so don't forget to subscribe and be part of this amazing family. I am also on all social media platforms at Cooking with Efya, so do follow me on all social media platforms and let's vibe over there as well. And now our party fried rice is ready. I'm serving it hot, and just look at how beautiful this plate is. The rice is fluffy and colorful, and you can see the vegetables, eggs and sausages throughout. This is perfect for parties, birthdays, family gatherings, celebrations, or even a simple weekend meal at home. And trust me, once you put this on the table, nobody is going to be asking for just one serving. Trust me on this one. I served my party fried rice with some delicious side, and honestly, this came out so good. So if you've been looking for a simple but flavorful way to make party fried rice, definitely give this recipe a try. And if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget as well to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell as I said, and trust me, you will love this page. Thank you so much for cooking with me, and until next time, happy cooking from Cooking with Efya. Bye.